Hello, good morning everybody. Today I want to talking about our subject and our subject is effective oral communication. In this subject, the first material is making order. This is the topic of our discussion for the first week. In this session, the explanation will divide me into several subtopics. The explanation include first, we are talking about definition making order. The next subtopic is the uses of spoken order. The third subtopic is order placement. The fourth subtopic is useful phrases for placing an order. Then the conversation sample, and the last but not least is exercise. Okay, now let's start by knowing what is the making order. In a good ordering business is needed, but previously we must know the meaning of the making order. And in this verse, we will find out together what it is to make order in our business. And in this first slide, we can know about the definition making order. The definition about making order is making order means state intention by making a request, whether spoken or written between two people or more to engage in a commercial transaction for a particular product or service. Okay, and after knowing the definition of the making order, then hopefully we can find out what it is to make order in our business. Well, next, we will go to the next explanation about the user spoken order because in making order needed a good language in order for the client to be able to understand the purpose of our order. And in this slide, this is the explanation about the uses of spoken order. The uses of spoken order. Spoken order are usually used in our daily both to ask for service or buy something, such as ask for insurance service, market, hotel, restaurant, and etc. Usually, we can place an order for this slide. First, take out or dine in food. 2. Stuff that you buy through the internet. And the last but not least is big shipment of supplies for your company. Okay, we have figured out how good language we use in order in business. Next, we will enter the next explanation about the order placement. And that explanation is in the next slide. And in this slide, we can see about the order placement. The order placement is placing another order in the same futures contract does not automatically negate the previous one. You must direct either the electronic order entry system or if you work with a broker, the broker to cancel that order. Here are how to place an order. First, over the phone order placement and confirmation. The second, order by voicemail or email. The third, confirmation through an email. And the fourth is market quotes. Finally, we have figured out how to place good order. Furthermore, in this subtopic, we will both know the useful phrases for placing an order. So, this is the explanation about the useful phrases for placing an order. In the slide, We can see and we can know about the useful process for placing an order. Same like the I'd like to place an order for blank blank blank. Or you can say I would like to place an order for blank blank blank. For the example is you can use I'd like to place an order for blank blank blank. You can use the I'd like to place an order for Lenovo computer please. The second, you can use we are going to need blank blank blank. Or for the example is we are going to need 10 million organza fabric please. And the third is you can use about useful process for placing an order. You can use could you send blank blank blank. For example, the sentence is could you send me 3 boxes of cake please? Okay, then we have to know about useful process for placing an order. And in this session, I will give you about the conversation sample about making order from Mr. Jenny and Mr. Dalmi. The conversation sample is Jenny said, good morning, this is Jenny Ruby calling from Injai Company. I would like to place an order. Dalmi said, good morning, I am Dalmi from Samsung Stage Company speaking here. Certainly, miss, are you ordering from our website catalog? Miss Jenny said, yes, I have to select and set the item numbers. But before I place the order, I want to check on some item we have on back order. Dalmi said, sure, miss. Let me pull up your account. I have looked at your account and it looks like you have one items that are still outstanding. But we should have that to you by the end of the month. Jenny said, I think that took a long time for me. Can it be further accelerated? Dalmi said, please wait a minute and let me check it for your miss. Jenny said, sure. Can you give me a delivery date? Dalmi said, it should arrive in 3 weeks and no later than the 19th. And Jenny said, okay, let me give you the new order. The first item is 100 2034. I would like to order 25 box. And last time, we were able to buy in bulk and got the wholesale price. And I'm hoping we can negotiate that again for this order. Tell me answer. Of course, we will give you special price because you are our VIP members. That is not a problem. Is there anything else that can I help you? Jenny said. The second item is 2030-45. I would like to have 30 of them. Dalmi said. There is a price reduction on the second item of 15%. That brings the net price to I think is $16. Is there any order that you need, miss? Jenny said, no, I think that's enough for now. But there are a few things that we need to order. But I still need to submit a requisition for a purchase order. Can you email us invoice from the item I just ordered? Tommy said, sure, miss. I will get that to you by the end of the day. And thanks for contacting us, and we really appreciate that. Jenny, oh yeah, no problem. Okay, after you know about the example for the making order, in the next slide, we can know about your exercise. And your exercise is complete the incomplete conversation below and create your own version. And the cast is in the situation. It's the beginning of the month and a customer enters the shoe store. He seems to be looking for a specific product when the salesperson approaches him. The salesperson, hello, are you looking for something in particular? Customer answers, yeah, I saw this set of Nike Air Max 1720 on the website at a really good price. I think it was 30% of our of or something like that. You must complete this conversation for a salesperson and the customer. Okay, after knowing about the material from the making order, in the summary is therefore making order is an important science for us to understand because the continuity of our business also depends on the way we make orders. In making good and correct orders, we must also understand well-related definition making order, the uses of spoken order placement, and useful phrases for placing an order. Remember that the making of a good and correct order will determine the result of a business that we do.